Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science from Pratap World School, Pathankot. Students, we are going to discuss the chapter called Fiber to Fabric for class 7. We have already discussed introduction, classification of fibers, wool fibers, selective breeding and rearing of sheep, processing of wool, occupational hazards and silk as a fiber in our previous lectures. Today we are going to discuss life cycle of a silkworm. So first of all, we should understand what do you mean by life cycle. Life cycle represent various stages which are involved in growth and development of an organism. So in the life cycle of silk moth, there are 4 stages during the development. What are these? These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. So during the life cycle, the adult female silkworm lays eggs. These eggs then mature to silkworm. These silkworm mature to pupa, which is inside the cocoon. When the pupa is developed into adult, it emerges outside the cocoon by rupturing the cocoon. So these are the basic stages in the development of silk moth. Let's discuss it in detail. Stage 1, that is the stage of the egg. In the beginning, female silk moth lays number of eggs on mulberry leaves. So here you can see this is the female silkworm and it has laid number of eggs on mulberry leaves. And this is the magnified view how these eggs look like. During the stage 2, that is the stage of larvae, the eggs are hatched into a very small larvae which are then developed into which when they grow in size within a week. These larvae are fed on mulberry leaves. That is why they are called mulberry silkworm and produces mulberry silk, because they are fed on mulberry leaves. The larvae look like a worm and therefore are also called caterpillars or silkworm. So here you can see how the silkworm caterpillars or larvae look like. Stage 3. The larvae grow in size over 3 inches. And then this caterpillar is ready to enter the next stage, that is the stage 3 of his life, which is called pupa. Now here you can see this is pupa and this is inside this cocoon. This is how pupa look like. Now this is the stage 3. The adult silkworm, it first weaves a net to hold itself. Here you can see this silkworm has taken support of these twigs and now it has started spinning a weave around it. How does the silkworm spin the cocoon? It swings its head side to side in the form of figure 8. So here this silkworm is swinging its head in the form of figure 8 and it is secreting a fiber which is made of protein, and this secretion is like saliva, and this secretion or the saliva, when comes in contact with air, it hardens and becomes silk fiber. Here you can see how the silkworm or the caterpillar has spun the cocoon around it. Soon the caterpillar covers itself completely by silk fiber and this covering is known as cocoon. So this is the stage, or the cocoon is the stage from where we are getting silk fiber. So here you can see how this caterpillar has woven a net around itself to protect itself from the environment so that it can easily grow into pupa, and here it is completely covered from the silk fibers. The silkworm continues to develop inside the cocoon to form silk moth. Pupa is the stage in the life history of silk moth when the caterpillar becomes encased in the hard shell of silk fibers. So pupa is the stage where the silkworm has spun the cocoon and now the pupa is encased, or it is inside the hard shell of silk fiber, which we generally call cocoon. So here again these are the stages. Silk larva has spun the cocoon by swinging its head in the eight direction. Now these are the cocoons, and this is how pupa look like inside the cocoon. During the stage 4, that is when the pupa, which is encased inside the cocoon, when it develops fully to form an adult silk moth, now the space is less for it. So what does it do? It, after the complete development, the cocoon splits up, or the adult silk moth comes outside by rupturing the cocoon. So here you can see that adult silk moth is coming out from that cocoon by rupturing the cocoon, and this is the adult silk moth. This completes the life history of a silk moth. So we have discussed 4 stages, which are eggs, larva, pupa and adult silk moth.